Alright, 15, we want to find the first, second, and third derivative of f of x. F of x is equal to 6x squared, and then plus 8 times e to the x. So the first derivative, use the power rule. 2 times 6 will give you 12, and then subtract 1. So we get 12x to the first power. And then when you do a constant times a function, you can pull that constant out. So we'll have 8 times the derivative of e to the x, and the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. So here's our first derivative. F double prime of x is second derivative. So this is understood to be a 1. 1 times 12 will give you 12. Subtract 1 will give you 0. So that means the x will go away. And then this one will end up being the same again. 8 times e to the x. Alright, and then when we do our third derivative, f triple prime, this is x to the 0, so the derivative of a constant is 0. That just zeroes out. And then we'll be left with 8e to the x, and every derivative thereafter will just be 8e to the x. So the first derivative, 12x, plus 8e to the x. Next derivative is 12 plus 8 e to the x, and the third derivative is just 8 e to the x. Alright, 16, so it says f is equal to little f plus g, where the graphs of f and g are shown in the figure on the right. We're going to find the following derivative. So f prime of 6. F prime of 6. So we are given, f is given these graphs. So f prime is going to be the slope of each of those graphs. F equals little f plus g, and so when you do f prime, we're doing the derivative of f and g and adding them together. So we're going to find the slope of each of these graphs when they're equal to 6 and add those together. F prime of 6, g prime of 6. This is the notation. So we're going to look at 6. This is counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This slope up 2 over 1. The blue line is 2 over 1 slope, so just 2. And then the red line at 6. 1, 2. So the slope of this line looks like a -1. Okay. So we're looking at 2 minus 1, which will just be a 1.